In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel Wix subscription and get refund. So before we cancel our subscription, we need to make sure that Wix has a refund policy which says that Wix offers a 14-day money back guarantee, which means that if you purchase any subscription, then within 14 days you can cancel your subscription and get full refund. So to do that, we need to go to the Wix site and under it select the premium site where you have purchased a premium plan. So I have this site. I need to click on select and edit site, and then it will take us to that website dashboard. Now go to the search bar and search here cancel. Once you search for it, then it will show you different types of suggestions. From these suggestions, we need to select this one, which is premium subscription settings, and when you click on it, and under it you will see all the websites which have premium plan associated. So I want to cancel premium plan for this site, and I did the payment on 8th May 2023, and it's been just 3 days since I did this payment, and now I want to get full refund. So to do that, we need to click on these 3 dots. After that, click on cancel plan, and then this window will pop up. Here you will see all the notifications which are important, such as your domain will be unassigned from your site, your site will display Wix ads, and your storage will be limited to 500 MB, and your site's bandwidth will be limited to 1 GB. If you still wanna cancel it, then click on cancel now and choose a reason for your cancellation. So I am within the 14 days period, you can read that here. So if I cancel my premium plan now, then I'll immediately lose all the upgraded features, and the refund will be processed and credited to my bank account within 20 days. Then choose the reason here, tell that in detail, and then click on cancel now, and within 20 days or in some cases it will be instantly transferred to your bank account, and you can see the message here. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.